These rotors resemble art more than they do car parts. It's a true two-piece floating design, absolutely beautiful. And the brake pads are pretty nice too. Next, I clean the slide bolts and the caliper bracket with a drill and wire wheel. I also clean the mating surface of the hub and the inside of the wheel to ensure that they spin true. Time to mount the rotor. Install the retaining screw and just stand back and admire it one more time. Next, the caliper bracket goes right back on. Next, I'm going to run in the caliper bracket bolts and then torque them to 85 foot-pounds. This is the plug for the pad wear sensor. Now we cut it here to get the brake pad out. To remove this, we just use a set of needle nose pliers, and it pulls right out. Next, I'm taking the brake pads outside, and with my air-powered grinder, I'm going to lightly chamfer the edges of the brake pad. This is so the brake pad does not interact with the lip that's going to form on the rotor during normal wear and tear. It reduces the chance that they're going to squeak down the road. I like to use this copper grease to lubricate all the sliding points. Some people go really crazy with this stuff, but it's best to just put on a very, very light coat on all the parts that slide. The reasoning behind it is that it collects dirt. Some people like to slop up the entire back of the brake pad with it. I don't like doing that. Like I said, it gets all over everything. So if you're not careful, you could end up with this. Just kidding, that's an extreme case. On this pad with the springs, also give a light coat on the springs themselves. Time to plug in the fresh wear sensor. And I'm using a set of needle nose pliers just to get it in. Time to coat the slide pins with a thin set of copper grease. The pins are ready to be installed. I'm going to run them in with the cordless ratchet and then torque to 27 Newton meters.